I'm gonna give this foundation and this concealer one more try. One more try. And if that is a wrap, I'm done. Like, it's a done.
Oh, still look crumbly. Oh, no.
And your girl, Alyssa Ashley, you know I gotta support her. I gotta always support her. Guys, it's your favorite girl right here, back at again with another video. And if you hear noise in the background, there's people watching TVs, and I can't control that. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Can't Stop, Won't Stop 10 white toes and a torn flip flop. Pedicures and manicures, you know I'm tip top. Flies need to stop, cause I'm icy. White feet haters wanna fight me. Alright, so I'm going to be trying the Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation and the Can't Stop, Won't Stop concealer as well. And I'm gonna just tell you right now, I tried this before and it didn't go well because your girl got dry. Yeah, so your girl got dry skin or whatever, so it didn't go well. So I'm here to recuperate and try this again, one more again, and that's it. It's a wrap. So I got my shade in the foundation. What color is it? Oh, Warm Honey 15.9. This claims to be a full coverage, you know, foundation, and I heard it's like really matte. So your girl is dry, so you know she gotta moisturize really good in order for any matte foundation to work. But like, I heard good things about this, and your girl Alyssa Ashley, you know I gotta support her. I gotta always support her. So I'm gonna try these out one more time for your dry girls out there, and let's go. So I got the shade in the concealer as well in Vanilla. And so, oh wait, before I even put this on, I'm going to moisturize with my African shea butter here. And I'm gonna put a little bit of my Clinique Daily Moisturizer on. And I'm gonna put that on my face, cause your girl is a dry one. Alright, now that I'm fully moisturized and looking like a grease ball, I'm gonna put the foundation on. And I'm just gonna put that on the back of my hands like this. I'm gonna do like 3 bold pumps. And I'm just gonna dot that on my face. And I'm just gonna blend that out. And it's looking like a pretty good match for the most part. And you see that since this is a matte foundation and I put the moisturizer on, it's making my face automatically matte. Like, so when this says matte, it really means that it's matte. It might not be a good shade for my forehead, my 5 head, but like overall, this part of my face, it matches. And like real life, it matches. Like I have a pimple here and it covered it up. It covered up the redness, so I like that. And it's blending pretty well. So I'm gonna just put like another layer to see how it lays and if it gets cakey or whatever. So I'm gonna put like 2 more pumps and I'm gonna put it on the spots that I need it, like my little pimple here. I'm gonna put it there. Put it here on my nose and like all the spots that I have. And all the spots that I have pimples, basically. So now I'm just gonna blend that out. Alright, it layers pretty well, which is nice. Alright, it's good. And I feel like it oxidizes. So the color that it comes out when you first pump it out is like different. Like two different things. Let me see if I can do it. So you see that? Two different shades, see that? And then the rest of my face. It definitely oxidizes. Alright, your girl's looking flawless. And I would say moisturize, because this foundation is a dry one. So the foundation itself is looking good. It's looking good. Ooh, 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 ooh. Alright, okay. So with this concealer, I already tried the concealer. The concealer is super uber drying. Like, this is a matte, super matte concealer. So what I'm gonna do is put some on the back of my hand like this and mix it in with the concealer, because this concealer is drier than the Sierra Desert, if I said that right. But it's like, it's like really drying. So I'm just gonna dot that on my eyes. Now I'm just gonna blend that out. Oh, that looks 10 times better, girl. When I tell you, when I first did this, whoo, wasn't working. And I always want to give a brand the benefit of the doubt. So if you want to do all this work just to make it, like, this concealer is so flawless, like, it's so full coverage. So just mixing it with like a moisturizer or oil, just in like warming it up with the back of your hand, it makes it so much better. Like, cause this coverage is bomb. It was just too drying for your girl. All right, now we look all highlighted. We're gonna take the Makeup Revolution banana powder and see how this does with some banana powder. All right, so it looks kind of good with some setting powder. Looks flawless for the most part. So I'm gonna do the rest of my face and tell you my final thoughts on these products. So this is where I noticed that the concealer was starting to crumble. Look, ooh. Concealer off the bat, as many tries that I've tried this concealer, is a dub. It's a dub by itself. Like, either I have to use it with another concealer I use for my underneath my lip area. I had to use my Maybelline Fit Me. This stuff is really creamy because this right here, this concealer right here is so dry. I don't like it. Like, it just, it might look good right here, but like, all right here was so weird, like, So, the concealer is a no-go for me, but the foundation, like, I will use the foundation again. Like, the foundation is pretty good. Like, I like the foundation, but the concealer, I'm not gonna use it. Not on its own. Maybe mixed with something else. Like as many times I tried this concealer, like putting, you know, moisturizer. I even put it with like an oil. I couldn't find my oils today, but I even tried with an oil and still did this thing where it just stuck to all my dry patches. So if you have dry skin, don't use it. Don't use the concealer. It's a no-go for dry skin. Just don't do it to yourself. It's a no-go for the foundation, girl. Let's get into it. Everywhere else where I put the foundation, it just looks so flawless. Yes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.